What's up, guys? Uncle John here, UncleJohnSoap.com. Today I want to talk to you about bathing your favorite hairy critters. No, not your mother-in-law. I had a question posed to me about, you know, making dog soap. I make a dog soap, and they asked for a recipe for their favorite pooch. So I'm not going to give away a recipe. I will say this, though. Keep it gentle, keep it mild, keep it simple. Don't add 8 million oils and butters. Honestly, one of the best soaps for bathing your dog is Castile soap with a super fat of about 8 to 10%. Perfect. And here's why. You don't want to put a ton of essential oils in it. You don't want to put a bunch of other oils in it, and because it's going to get burned up fast. Washing your dog, it's going to disappear way faster than bathing your body. And it's not great for a dog to be washed all the time. It's recommended, people that do show dogs and things like that, they usually recommend about no more than once a quarter, I believe, 4 times a year. Now, if you have a genius dog like mine who rolls in her own poop and dead animals and things like that, you may need to bathe a little more often, but keep it as minimal as possible because people think that dog skin gets itchy and dry and irritated because of soap, and it can, but really it tends to be diet related and bathing too much. Dog skin, they need a certain amount of oil. Even the hypoallergenic type dogs, Labradoodles, Labrador Retrievers, Shih Tzu, whatever. If you overbathe them, you're stripping their skin, and it's kind of like human skin. If you keep stripping the oils out fast, sometimes your body tends to say, "Oh my God, we need more oil there," and it overproduces at that point, and that's when you start getting oily skin issues and zits and things like that. So, imagine what you're doing to your dog. Just like washing my beard, I'm not going to use soap on this thing every day of the week. Maybe once a week, I'm going to use soap in this. Now, day I go to a barbecue joint, it's getting soap. Corn on the cob, yeah, it's going to get soap. If I've been outside working and sweating, like actively sweating, it's going to get soap. Otherwise, I have a special brush, and it's not that special. It's a $3 plastic brush, and it's awesome. We sell it on the site, by the way. $3 plastic brush, hot water from the shower, not too hot, and just brush through, exfoliating the skin while the water's running on it, and that is fine. That is all you need. It is not that dirty. Seriously. If you're a germaphobe, you'll argue with me, and that's fine. That's your personal preference. Great. But I'm telling you, reality is you don't need it that much. Same with the hair on your head. When I had hair on my head, it really didn't need soap and shampoo that often. So, back to the dogs. So yeah, let's not get too carried away with washing them. Yeah, they're gonna have a smell. They're a dog. To them, we have a smell. That's just the facts of life. That's just the way it is. Cats. Now, if you're brave enough to wash a cat, bring plenty of gauze. Otherwise, they really don't need baths ever. Unless you have a really old cat who can't take care of itself anymore, or a cat with a disability who can't really bathe correctly anymore. And even then, I wouldn't recommend a full bath. But, that's really bare minimum, almost never needs anything. Cats can clean themselves very well. Thank you very much. But if you do decide to do a soap with a cat, again, don't go adding a ton of essential oils and fragrances and things like that. A, with cats and dogs, it's going to drive their nose absolutely bonkers. B, with cats especially, not so much dogs, but with cats, the essential oils soak in through their skin. Cats soak in more through their skin than almost any other animal I can think of. And it can make them extremely ill. That's why I don't recommend the flea drops between the shoulder blades and things like that. I mean, it can make them sick. So, and plus they can reach that shoulder blade spot if you really watch them. They get closer than you think. So you got to be careful with everything, and moderation is key, etc., etc. So if you're going to make a dog soap, start with a Castile soap. Olive oil, go for an 8 to 12% super fat. keep the washing, bathing to a minimum, and everybody should be happy. All right, guys. Got any questions? Leave me a comment down below. Give us a thumbs up, please. If you got anything out of this video, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and that way you won't miss anything. And, of course, you can always email me at unclejohnsoap@gmail.com. And I think that's it. See ya.